What up everyone, my name is M.Aneeq Aamir and you're watching DevTuber. So in today's video, I will tell you guys how to have a rounded display on any Android mobile device that you own. So before we get any further into this video, please subscribe to my channel, do like this video and comment if you have any questions. So firstly you guys have to download a free application from the Play Store known as Cornerfly. So let's open Play Store and search for Cornerfly. So download this free application now. When it is installed, open it. You will have to allow certain permissions to this application. As we proceed, you guys can see that my screen is now rounded. You can also customize the color and other things in this application. To increase the size of the corner, you will have to download the paid version of this application. So that is going to do for today's video. Please subscribe to my channel, do like this video and share it with your friends. Thank you.